Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the new lesson, that is lesson number 5, human body, and in this lesson we have studied about the human body. As I told you, human body is a wonderful machine, but it is a different machine. It is better than a man-made machine because we can hear, we can smell, we can sense, we can feel the things. So our body is a very wonderful machine. Okay, and also we have studied that sense organs. So as you know, we are having 5 sense organs. Those are the eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Okay, all of these organs are called as sense organs, and in today's class we are going to discuss all of these sense organs one by one. Okay, so out of those all 5 sense organs, first one is about eyes. What is that? Eyes. So let's study about eyes. So as you know that we are having 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes. Okay. So eyes are very sensitive and delicate organs. Yes, eyes are the very delicate and sensitive organs in our body. Okay, and they are also called as natural cameras. Eyes are also called as natural cameras. Natural cameras. Okay, they help us to see and identify the things which are around us. So what is the use of these eyes for us? Eyes helps us to see the things, and also they helps us to identify the things which are there around us. Okay, and we should take care of our eyes and protect them from the injuries and infections. Obviously it is necessary to take care of our eyes in a soft manner, because as I told you, eyes are very delicate and sensitive things, the sensitive body parts, is it? So it is also very necessary to take care of those eyes and also protect them. It is necessary to protect them from the injuries and also from infection. Okay, so first one is eyes. We have 2 eyes, and these eyes are also called as natural cameras. These are the very sensitive and delicate organs of our body, and also it is very necessary to protect them from the injuries and infection. Okay, so what is the use of these eyes? Eyes helps us to see the objects and things which are there around us. Okay, this is all about eyes. So first one is, these are the very sensitive and delicate organs. Sensitive, what we call them? Very sensitive and delicate organs. Okay, and also we call them natural cameras. Okay, this is it for eyes. Next one is about tongue. What is that? Tongue. So as you know that how many tongues we are having? We have only one tongue. The tongue helps us to taste different flavors. To taste different flavors. So what is the use of this tongue? This helps us to taste many different kinds of foods. Yes, we eat different kinds of foods in our daily life. So tongue is the only organ that helps us to taste the food. If it is salty, if it is spicy, if it is sweet. Okay, so that our tongue helps us to taste the different kinds of flavors, such as sweet, sour. So what are the tastes? Those are the sweet, sour, sweet and sour. Okay, and the next one is salty and bitter. Salty and bitter. All kind of tastes. If it is bitter, see, if you eat gulab jamun, what is the taste of gulab jamun? It is sweet. It is sweet. Okay. So how you can identify that gulab jamun is sweet? So you use your tongue as an organ to taste your food, is it? So by the help of tongue, you can realize that what is the taste of the different kinds of food. Okay, and also it helps us to speak. It helps us to speak also. It helps us to speak. Okay. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಡೈಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಡೈಲಿ. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲ್ಗೆನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. And this is how we can take care of our tongue. We should clean our tongue regularly. Okay. So this is all about tongue. As you know, we are having only one tongue. Okay. And to taste different flavors, we use our tongue to taste different kinds of flavors like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. By using our tongue, we can identify which flavor it is. And also we use our tongue to speak also. This helps us to speak. Okay. Next, how we can take care of our tongue? We should clean our tongue regularly. When you are brushing your teeth, you should clean your tongue also by using tongue cleanser. Okay. So this is for tongue. Next one is about ears. About ears. So how many ears we are having? We are having obviously 2 ears. Okay, and ears helps us to hear different kinds of sounds. So it helps us to hear different kinds of sounds. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಸೌಂಡನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ different kinds of sounds, and we can hear low sounds of whispers to loud noises. ಸೊ ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣ ಧ್ವನಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಲೌಡಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌಂಡ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲೌಡ್ ನಾಯ್ಸಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಅವರ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ sounds. Okay, and we should clean our ears frequently. Yes, it is also how we can take care of our ears. We should clean our ears with the help of water frequently ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವಾರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ಸತಿ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಯರನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಆರ್ಗನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ears as well. Okay, so this is it for eyes and tongue and ears. First one is eyes. Eyes helps us to see the things and objects which are present around us, and also it is very necessary to take care of our eyes. Is it? Okay, and our eyes are also called as natural cameras. Okay, and as you know, eyes are the very sensitive and delicate organs. Next one is about tongue. Tongue helps us to speak and to taste the different kinds of flavors like sweet, sour, bitter and different kinds of flavors. Okay, and it is also necessary to take care of our tongue. You should clean your tongue by using the tongue cleanser daily when you are brushing your teeth. And next one is, as you know, we are having 2 ears, and we use our ears to hear the different kinds of sounds. From the low, you can hear low sound as well as you can hear loud noises also. Okay, and it is also necessary to clean our ear frequently. So this is it for today. In tomorrow's class we will study about nose skin. So nose is also nose is also a sense organ, and skin is also a sense organ. About nose skin we will study in the tomorrow's class.